Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best gel-cured nail kit on the market, the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit with UV Light. If you're someone who loves doing your nails at home and wants professional-level results without stepping into a salon, this kit might just be the game-changer you've been looking for. This 31-piece all-in-one gel nail kit comes with everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll find a 48W UV LED nail lamp, 2 base coats, 1 top coat, 1 matte top coat, and 20 vibrant gel polish colors. Plus, it includes all the extras: a cuticle fork, nail clippers, a nail file, separators, aluminum foil wraps, a handle grip nail brush, and a nail buffer. It's everything you need to create salon-worthy nails from the comfort of your own home. The gel polishes come in an array of stunning shades, allowing you to mix and match to create whatever look suits your style. Whether you're aiming for a soft, subtle vibe or a bold and dazzling finish, this kit has got you covered. The best part? The formula is designed to provide long-lasting nails. You can expect stunning, chip-resistant nails that can last up to 21 days, making this kit a reliable choice for both everyday wear and special occasions. What makes this kit especially beginner-friendly is the ease of use. The colors apply smoothly and evenly, and there's no need for any complicated tools or techniques. Even if you're just starting your nail art journey, this set has been designed to ensure a hassle-free experience. You can even achieve elegant French nails with the included nail stickers, making your nail design process even easier. And if you're looking for the perfect gift for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or Valentine's Day, the Beetles Gel Nail Kit is an ideal choice. With its sleek packaging and high-quality contents, it's sure to impress. This kit has everything to help you achieve gorgeous, long-lasting nails at home. So if you're tired of pricey nail salon visits and want a reliable, easy-to-use gel nail kit, the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome product reviews.